cut up this was a half head of romaine, and then this is half a bag of spinach from our local food co-op. Those are both organic. And then we're going to brown this grass-fed beef. It's a pound. We'll cut up some grape tomatoes. We'll shred some raw cheddar cheese. We will also cut up some of this red onion, probably about just a fourth of that, to add some delicious flavor. Right now I have chopped up some red onion, so I'm just doing this to make it a little bit more fine. And then I'm going to add this to the ground beef. So we have the ground beef going. I'm going to add the onion to it. And then I'm going to add some of our favorite herbed sea salt. We've talked about this in our other cooking videos. And I just kind of eyeball it. I don't really measure. I'm going to use some black pepper. And then we'll just let this brown. It usually takes about 5 minutes. I don't cook it too long because I don't want the hamburger overdone. I still kind of like it a little bit pink. Okay. The hamburger is at the temperature that I want it. Still a little pink in there. Got the onions cooked. I'm going to leave the grease. I will not drain it. That will add the extra fat that we need in our bodies. Another thing I'm going to cut up are these pickles, just a few of them. Since it's a cheeseburger salad, I like to add pickles to mine. It gives it that burger craving satisfaction that I'm looking for. Cutting up 4 pickles. They smell really good. Can't wait to add these to the salad. It's time for the shredding of the cheddar. So Trin's gonna get some good work at it, build her muscles up. Is the finished product of the cheeseburger salad. As you can see, got the lettuce, the burger on top. I added some grape tomatoes, the cheese, pickles, and my condiments are mustard, ketchup, and avocado mayonnaise. Smells really good. Isaiah, what did you add to yours?
So I had obviously the salad, pickles, ketchup, and mustard and cheese.
Yum. Here's Trinity's. She went outside. She's waiting for her dad to come home. She's got ketchup, cheese, tomatoes, pickles, and Jeff will make his when he gets home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe, and go watch our other videos.